Good morning to everyone. My name is Priya. Today I am going to discuss with you Death of a Salesman Requiem Summary. Death of a Salesman, a play in two acts and a requiem by Arthur Miller, written in 1948 and produced in 1949. He has described as the tragedy of a man who gave his life or sold it in pursuit the American dream. Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman is considered to be both the playwright masterpiece and a cornerstone of contemporary American drama. This play gained a number of honors and awards, including the Pulitzer Prize and the New York Drama Critics Circle Award. When Arthur Miller finished writing this play, he entitled it as The Inside of His Head. Later on, he became dissatisfied with his title. Then he conferred second title of the play. This second title is Death of a Salesman. From the first title, we get a profound insight into the psychological makeup of the protagonist, who is a salesman. Now, Requiem, Death of a Salesman. A requiem is normally a speech or a musical composition that is performed in honor of someone's death. In the requiem of the play Death of a Salesman by Arthur Miller, there is one particular speech that stands out the most and is marked as one of the most outstanding dialogues in the play. This is the speech that Charlie gives. In this speech, Charlie honors Willie as though he were a man of great position in society and in life. This dialogue is also representative of a eulogy, as Charlie describes Willie as a man who was lost in his quest for his dreams. Charlie also expresses that Willie was a remarkable man, one that had to sell himself in order to succeed in his profession. He also remarked that Willie was not to blame for his actions, as his life and work were filled with high demands and expectations. The touching and emotional eulogy was perhaps one of the greatest things and Charlie could have ever given Willie, and serves as a last attempt to honor a man that was undervalued throughout his life. Charlie's character in the play represents someone whom Willie had to strive to be and had oftentimes become quite jealous of. The action of the Requiem immediately follows the suicide of Willie Loman, who fatally crashes his vehicle so that his family can receive his life insurance money. The stage direction explains that the Loman family moves to the end of the stage's apron to signify that they are gazing upon Willie's grave. In these final moments, before the play ends, the family mournfully discusses the legacy of Willie, shifting between harsh criticism of his decision to commit suicide and sympathy for Willie's lost dreams of professional success. Each characters in the scene, Linda, Beef, Happy, and Charlie, offers his or her own assessment of Willie's life, and author Arthur Miller leaves the audience with a sense that none of these characters are quite correct in their understanding of Willis and Linda. Willie's wife is confused because very few people attended the funeral service, a reality that is in direct opposition to everything Willie told her about a salesman's life. The hard truth is that most of the connections Willie and through his business have already died themselves. Linda also claims that Willie only needed a little salary, a remark that reveals her somewhat shallow understanding of what actually drew Willie. For Willie, it was never about making money. It was about being well liked. Willie's sons, Biff and Happy, also was contrasting view of their father. Biff explains that Willie never knew who he was, but Happy disagrees. Happy Loman announces to the family that he will attempt to take on his father's dreams of himself. He says he had a good dream. It is only the dream you can have to come out number of men happy. Like Linda, was an empty vision of a fulfilling life with respect to Willie's legacy. An an aspiration of being number one man assesses a life only in terms of social and economic status rather than one's contribution to humankind. Now, the importance of the requiem in Death of a Salesman. In this play, Death of a Salesman, the final chapter is titled Requiem instead of epilogue. The definition of requiem in the concise Oxford Dictionary is a special mass for repose of souls of the dead. The requiem serves as a tribute to Willie Loman. Sympathy is evoked and reasons for his behavior are given. Charlie gives the central speech. Nobody dares blame this man. A salesman has got to dream boy. It comes with the territory. Any blame or anger at Willie is contracted. It echoes Linda earlier in the play, but he is human being, and a terrible thing is happening to him. So attention must be paid. It is mad, obviously, certain that Willie is sympathized with rather than cursed. Thou Beef criticizes Willie and argues with him. He still respects him and is compassionate, is fine, troubled prince, a hard-working, unappreciated prince. Now the conclusion of the play. The play ends with their tragedy when Willie decides to commit suicide, hence the title Death of a Salesman. He had no genius friends to attend his funeral attended by his brother Charlie and family.